Here is Brian. He's preparing for our breakfast. He's making a pancake. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, my journey in life. So I want to share you guys because today, right now, I want to cook a beef soup. So these are my ingredients. So of course I have here a beef. I'm using beef right now, but before I use the pork, but now this one beef ribs. And then I have here a corn, this one, and also this one, the bok choy, product of USA. So yeah, I'm gonna use that, and also I will use also the potato, just one potato, guys. So but before I will blanch this first, the pork, no, the beef ribs, before I will make a soup. So yeah. So, and a while ago there is a storm. There is a strong windy outside. So yeah, and then raining. See, look at the corn, is really good. Fresh from the farm. You see me too, the season. Cover me with your hands, then lead me. Yeah. Guwapa kayong corn. Yeah. It's really guwapa. And then I will wash also that. Usually I use the pork bones, but now I tried to use the beef. And let's see if Brian will eat this. Yeah, he likes beef. And also I have here also this one. I will make this beef caldereta, and then I will use this beef also. The steak, this one, just try to make beef caldereta, a Filipino style. So later, it's my first time to do that. So done boiling the beef, just 2 minutes. And then I will wash it again, and then I will boil a water for the soup now. Seeking you as a precious jewel, Lord, you give back, I'll be at you. You are my own. You still have your chicken. Oh no, and maybe I will fry first the beef with garlic and the onion. Worthy is your name. Lord, you give back, but be a fool. You are my holy no. And I will put also ginger. Worthy is your name, Jesus, Lamb of God. Worthy is your name. I fry first the meat. And then I put ginger, this one. And then I will add water. This is my version, a Filipino style beef soup. Yes. Seeking you as a precious jewel. So I need to go to Fred Meyer guys, because I will buy tomato paste for my beef caldereta. I forgot to buy that. It's raining outside. Good.
Once at the park, the group scours for several days.
Daddy, want to eat now?
Police work to determine if Cody's death was a
Brian,
terrible
maybe he
accident
don't want to eat.
or if he was pushed.
Daddy, you want to eat a soup?
Okay.
It appears he fell head first.
So, lagyan natin siya ng food. So, bigyan natin ng soup si Brian. Damihan ko ng yung soup. Vegetables and corn. Gawin kong beef caldereta is yung laman. Hindi siya buto-buto. Dapat buto-buto yun, di ba? But I want the buto-buto. Ano, laman. Come here, you eat the other one. Oh, you so no? So, eating time. The soup is really good. Lord, thank you for this food. Bless this, oh God. Amen.
After Cody and Jordan's weekend, he doesn't show up for work. A coworker reports him missing. The police
Lami eh.
Cody's death was a terrible accident. First, there was a question about the key.
Sarap. What?
It seems strange that this mysterious Tony fellow would just email Jordan with shocking news. Giving her explicit instructions to tell the police are laid off looking for husband Cody. He's essentially implicating himself as being
But the beef in the Philippines, Dad, it's not like this. Is kanang maano siya, no? Malambot siya dito.
So this meat's better than the one in the Philippines?
Yeah, compared in the Philippines is hard.
I'm not getting up to sleep on the phone.
Lami eh. I need more.
For Jordan, it was as if a huge weight had been lifted.
Let's start to cook the beef caldereta. So the garlic and the onion. My version beef caldereta, Filipino style. It's lami kaayo. And this is the meat, the beef calderets. So put the beef. So these are my ingredients of my beef caldereta. I use this kind of carrots and the bell pepper and the potato, but I need to soak the potato first because the beef is here. So this one we will wait until the beef will yung lalambot na siya. I put already the potato and the carrots. I think I need to put this one, the liver.
Tara spent the next 4 years climbing the corporate ladder. Then they decide to start again.
This is now my version of beef caldereta. Parang menudo din siya, no? Pero mas eksperto ako sa ano. I am expert cooking with menudo, unlike this. Yeah, it's already done. And then